Are you considering investing in real estate but don't know where to start? With so much information out there, it can be difficult to determine which resources are the most helpful. To get you started on the right foot, we've compiled a list of 10 of the best real estate books to help you make informed decisions when it comes to investing. From advice on understanding the market to the ins and outs of property management, these books have something for everyone. 1. The Millionaire Real Estate Investor. Written by Gary Keller and Dave Jenks, The Millionaire Real Estate Investor is an essential read for any real estate investor. It provides a practical guide for buying and managing rental properties and helps readers understand the basics of investing in real estate. With its step-by-step approach, this book is designed to help readers maximize their return on investment and increase their wealth through smart real estate investments. The Millionaire Real Estate Investor covers topics such as understanding market trends, analyzing rental properties, developing an effective property management system, financing options, legal issues, and much more. It also includes tips on how to spot great deals and get the most out of your investments. The book includes case studies, examples, and worksheets to help readers get started with their real estate investments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this book is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to make informed decisions when it comes to real estate investing. 2. Hold. How to find, buy, and rent houses for wealth. For investors looking to learn the ins and outs of house flipping and rental property investing, Hold. How to find, buy, and rent houses for wealth is a great starting point. This book provides actionable advice on how to find profitable rental properties, negotiate purchase contracts, and maximize rental income. It covers everything from setting financial goals to making offers on potential properties. He also provides an in-depth look at the different types of rental properties available and offers guidance on how to evaluate them for profitability. With his insights, investors can understand when it makes sense to flip a house versus hold it for rental income. In addition to practical advice, the book includes helpful resources, such as property management software and financing options. These tools can make it easier for real estate investors to succeed. Overall, this book serves as an excellent introduction to the world of real estate investing and is an invaluable resource for any investor looking to get started. 3. The Real Book of Real Estate. Real experts, real stories, real advice. If you are looking for a comprehensive real estate book that is packed with tips and advice from experienced professionals, The Real Book of Real Estate is a perfect choice. Written by Robert T. Kiyosaki, author of the renowned Rich Dad Poor Dad series, this book offers a unique look at the real estate industry through the eyes of real experts. From investing strategies to practical advice on buying and selling property, The Real Book of Real Estate will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need to make informed decisions when it comes to your real estate investments. Featuring insights from experienced investors, brokers, developers, and legal advisors, The Real Book of Real Estate is the ultimate guide for anyone looking to get into the real estate game. Along with an in-depth analysis of market trends and strategies for success, this book also provides real-world stories of successful investors, offering insight into how they achieved their goals and how you can do the same. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, The Real Book of Real Estate will give you the tools and guidance you need to make smart decisions and maximize your profits. 4. Building Wealth One House at a Time. Updated and Expanded, 2nd edition. Written by John Schaub, this book has been one of the leading resources for investors looking to build wealth through real estate. This updated and expanded edition provides readers with even more insight into the field of real estate investment. The book starts by helping readers understand the fundamentals of investing in real estate. It goes into detail about how to evaluate potential investments, how to calculate returns, and how to select the right properties. It also covers topics such as mortgage financing, property management, and tax strategies. The second section of the book dives deeper into the world of real estate investing. It explores topics such as market cycles, leasing options, rental strategies, negotiating deals, and more. The section also explains the importance of networking and building relationships with other investors. The third section of the book takes a closer look at building wealth through real estate investment. Readers learn how to buy low and sell high, how to create long-term wealth through rental properties, and how to use leverage to maximize returns. Overall, Building Wealth One House at a Time, updated and expanded, second edition is an essential resource for anyone interested in real estate investing. Whether you're just starting or you've been investing for years, this book provides invaluable insight into building wealth through real estate. 5. Radical Personal Finance, the ultimate guide to financial freedom. Radical Personal Finance is a comprehensive and revolutionary guide to financial freedom. Written by Joshua Sheets, this book focuses on the basic principles of personal finance and shows how to apply them to get ahead in life. Sheets provides readers with practical strategies for creating wealth, managing debt, and investing in real estate. The book covers a variety of topics, including budgeting and saving, debt management, investments, retirement planning, and more. It also includes useful advice on taxes, insurance, and other important financial topics. Radical Personal Finance offers comprehensive guidance on the basics of personal finance and provides the tools you need to get started on your journey to financial freedom. Whether you are just starting or are already an experienced investor, this book has something for everyone. If you're looking for an easy-to-follow guide to getting ahead in life, Radical Personal Finance, the ultimate guide to financial freedom, is the perfect book for you. It's full of useful advice and strategies that can help you take control of your finances and build long-term wealth. 6. The book on rental property investing, how to create wealth and passive income through smart buy and hold real estate investing. This book, written by real estate investor Brandon Turner, is designed to help those looking to make their first foray into rental property investing. The book is divided into two parts: the big picture and the nuts and bolts. In the big picture section, readers learn the basics of rental property investing, what it is, why you should do it, and how to find and acquire great deals. The nuts and bolts section provides readers with step-by-step instructions on how to successfully buy, finance, manage, and sell rental properties. This comprehensive book covers everything from finding deals to screening tenants, negotiating leases to understanding the tax implications of owning rental property. The book on rental property investing is an essential guide for anyone looking to begin or further their rental property investing career. With its straightforward approach and easy-to-follow instructions, this book will help you create wealth and passive income through smart buy and hold real estate investing. 7. Long-distance real estate investing, how to buy, rehab, and manage out-of-state rental properties. Investing in real estate out of state can be a lucrative endeavor if you know how to go about it. To successfully buy, rehab, and manage out-of-state rental properties, there are some key steps you need to follow. The first step is to do your research. Investing in a property out of state comes with a unique set of risks and challenges. You need to understand the local market and regulations in the area you are investing in. It's important to get familiar with the local rental trends, crime rates, and available rental inventory. Once you have done your research, you need to find a great deal. This means looking for properties that have the potential to generate a good return on investment. The next step is to make sure that the rehab process is handled properly. When dealing with out-of-state properties, you will need to work with reliable contractors who are knowledgeable about local building codes and regulations. Make sure that you get all the necessary permits and approvals before starting any major renovations. Finally, managing an out-of-state rental property can be difficult if you don't have an efficient system in place. It's important to hire a trustworthy property manager to handle the day-to-day operations and ensure that your tenants are taken care of. You should also look into hiring a tax advisor or attorney who specializes in out-of-state real estate investments to make sure you are compliant with local regulations. By following these steps, you can successfully buy, rehab, and manage out-of-state rental properties. With the right strategy and preparation, you can achieve success and generate a great return on investment from your real estate investments. 8. The complete guide to buying and selling apartment buildings. Are you looking to make a good return on your real estate investment? Buying and selling apartment buildings are one of the most profitable real estate investments, but it also comes with unique risks and complexities. Knowing what to look for and how to navigate the process can be challenging for even experienced investors. The complete guide to buying and selling apartment buildings provides detailed advice for both novice and experienced real estate investors. Written by industry professionals, this comprehensive guide will walk you through each step of the process, from finding potential properties to preparing for closing day. You'll learn about the different types of apartment buildings, the various financing options, how to estimate rental income and expenses, tips for negotiating a good deal, and more. Whether you're looking to purchase your first property or add to your existing portfolio, this book provides the information you need to make informed decisions and maximize your profits. 9. Real Estate Investing for Dummies. Real Estate Investing for Dummies is an essential guide for those who are looking to get their start in real estate investing. It provides a comprehensive overview of the basics of the field and outlines strategies for finding, buying, financing, and managing rental properties. The book also provides detailed information on how to analyze market conditions and identify profitable investment opportunities. The author, Eric Tyson, is a financial expert and best-selling author who has written numerous books on financial topics such as investing, personal finance, taxes, and retirement. His experience and expertise make him the perfect guide to lead you through your real estate investing journey. Real Estate Investing for Dummies walks you through each step of the process with simple-to-follow instructions. It covers everything from finding the right property to understanding the tax implications of owning rental property. Tyson also provides guidance on evaluating potential investments, negotiating deals, and managing tenant relationships. The book also contains advice on dealing with common challenges faced by real estate investors and tips for increasing profits. With its concise yet thorough explanations, Real Estate Investing for Dummies is an ideal resource for beginners or anyone looking to take their real estate investing skills to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or have been investing for years, this book will provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions and achieve your goals. 10. The ABCs of Real Estate Investing. The secrets of finding hidden profits most investors miss. Real estate investing can be a lucrative and rewarding venture, but it is important to understand the ins and outs of the industry before taking the plunge. The ABCs of Real Estate Investing. The Secrets of Finding Hidden Profits Most Investors Miss is a great book to help new and experienced investors alike learn how to identify, analyze, and capitalize on opportunities in the real estate market. Written by veteran real estate investor and entrepreneur, Ken McElroy, the ABCs of Real Estate Investing provides step-by-step instructions and strategies on how to locate profitable investments, create sound strategies, and make money from real estate. McElroy shares his experience and knowledge to help readers find hidden profit centers in their investments, as well as how to increase returns and reduce risks. The book covers topics such as understanding the investment cycle, analyzing market trends, buying investment properties at below market prices, obtaining financing, finding deals in unconventional places, calculating capitalization rates, creating realistic exit strategies, managing rental properties, dealing with tenants and contractors, and much more. Additionally, McElroy offers valuable advice on the best way to structure a deal and how to manage your investments for long-term success. With its straightforward and easy-to-follow instructions, the ABCs of Real Estate Investing is an essential guide for anyone looking to get into the business of real estate investing. It offers a comprehensive look at the real estate market and provides the tools necessary to maximize your profits. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Financial Literacy.